So it's still cold outside, meaning that it's still the perfect time for some loungewear. Let's talk about the FitVille Enjoy collection. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Elaine. Welcome. I'm a weight loss coach, a fitness enthusiast, and an activewear lover. And today we are reviewing the FitVille Enjoy collection, which includes the Half Zip Hoodie, as well as their fleece pants or their fleece joggers. Now, FitVille has provided you guys with 10% off your order. So if you shop through the link in my description box, you will get 10% off your cart at checkout. If you find this video useful, please make sure to smash that like and that subscribe button so that you never miss an upload from me in the future. And if you're looking for my measurements and timestamps, they're always in the description box for your convenience. You can always skip to the part of the video that is most interesting to you by using the timestamps that are in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's review the Enjoy collection from FitVille. So let's start with the Enjoy Half Zip Hoodie. Now, this is a knit fabric hoodie that does have 4-way stretch, so it is very stretchy, molds to your frame. This fabric is sweat wicking, and it kind of has like a performance feel and look to it. It has a sleek feeling to it, and it's ribbed down the entirety of the entire hoodie. Now, at the hoodie, you can see that we have a little silver sewn in FitVille logo, which is gonna last you for years and years to come. And we've got the half zip here, which is white in this colorway. And when you bring the zipper down, it just stops. It goes down smoothly. It stops right in the middle of my chest. And when you put it back up, there is a nice little clasp at the top to hide the zipper, giving it a very clean look. There is a color block pattern going on. We've got the blue, then the white stripe, and then the rest of the hoodie is black. And then when you turn to the back, this pattern is mimicked again. This is a high neck half zip hoodie, so if you're not someone who's interested in high neck stuff, this may not be for you, but I actually find that the high neck is actually not too tight. It doesn't feel like it is cutting off my circulation or anything like that, because sometimes turtleneck style tops can feel like that, but there is actually a lot of room at the neck component here, so it just provides a little bit of shielding from the cold with the high neck version of it. But of course, you can always fold the neck over when you open it up if you're someone who does not like the turtleneck feel. For sizing, I got my true size small, and it does fit. If you're someone who's between sizes, you can easily size down, because I find that I do have quite a bit of room in the waist area, which I'm actually not upset about. Like, this is definitely something that I'd wear out on a day where I just plan on going to eat hella food and I'm gonna have a food baby, because this still looks form-fitting, but it would still give me a little bit of coverage for the food baby I got going on. So I'm not too upset with the fit, but you could easily size down, especially if you're between sizes, if you prefer more fitted at the waist. And there's still room in the rest of the hoodie, so that if you size down, it's not going to feel too tight all around. For comfort, I could wear this all day, every day.
I meant today is the day we veg out.
I have been wearing this all day. Wear this all day, every day, sleep in it, wake up in it. Like, this is a very versatile piece. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the gym, you can wear it to your family's function. It is an everyday piece, a very versatile piece that you can layer up, layer down, whatever you want to do with it, and it's super comfortable. It's not brushed on the inside by any means, but it is just like a plain, sleek feel on the inside, so it feels very comfortable on the skin. Overall, I really love the feel of this hoodie. It's becoming my new favorite gym hoodie. I like having a hoodie on before I head to the gym, because I still live up north, so it's still like minus 30 degrees Celsius up here, let's be real. So for me, this has just been a really nice staple piece to grab while I'm heading out the door. And of course, I'm also wearing my FitVille shoes, so it's just like a whole FitVille set over here. But I find that their items are just very, very comfortable, which I love for a more loungewear type feel of a brand. We've got the Enjoy fleece pants, which are a set of joggers. They are terry cloth fabric joggers that have kind of a sleek performance feel, a little bit of a sheen to them. You can see that we've got some really deep pockets, which will fit your iPhone, your Samsung, a phone tablet if you really want to. And we've got a sewn on silver FitVille logo on the left leg, which is gonna last you for years and years to come. This waistband, we do have a ribbed waistband that you can wear at any height. Really, you can either wear it high-waisted, you can wear it mid, or you can wear it low-rise. It's really dependent on what you like. And we've got a drawstring waistband as well, which is really nice for adjustability so that you can tighten and loosen it up to your liking. And we've got metal ends so that your drawstrings do not come undone. Now, this length of these joggers is about 27 inches, so it will accommodate taller women. I obviously, as a 4'11" woman, have a bit more bunching than the average woman does, but that's completely okay. And when it comes to the leg components, we do have a tapered ankle so that it cinches in at the bottom to give it more of a slimming look as you get to the bottom of the jogger. When we turn to the back of the jogger, there isn't too much going on. We do have one seam right up the middle, and that's about it. These joggers are not necessarily meant to be very booty enhancing or anything like that, so there isn't anything much going on at the back. For sizing, I ordered my usual size small, and these fit great. These are a more normal fit jogger. They're meant to be a baggy type of jogger, not a fitted or slimming jogger, so they fit like I would expect a jogger to fit. There's a lot of room in the legs, there's a lot of room in the crotch, there's a lot of room in the back. There's no compression to this. It's just a very relaxed fit. So for me, if you're someone who's between sizes, it honestly is going to depend on how you like your joggers to fit. If you like your joggers fitting more loose, go with the bigger size. If you like your joggers to fit tighter, go with the smaller size. It's not going to make too much of a difference because I don't think that you can size down enough in these joggers to get them to fit like a slim fit, because it's meant to fit like a regular baggy jogger fit. For the waistband, as I mentioned earlier, you can decide the rise that you want it at. So I like to wear mine as more of a high rise right above my belly button, but you can definitely shuffle it down and have it as a low rise if you want. So long as you tighten the drawstring where you want it to sit, it will actually stay in place, which is really nice. But it does not offer any lower belly compression or any tummy control. These joggers with the waistband, it's about a 2-inch thick waistband, and it just sits on your skin. It's not meant to provide any tummy or belly control. For the crotch, we do have a front seam, but because this is meant to be a loose fit, we do have a lot of fabric at the crotch, so you're definitely not going to get any camel toe in these. You would really have to try, like hike it up really high, which looks ridiculous on me, to end up getting camel toe in these joggers. For sweat and functionality, I actually did warm up in these joggers at the gym. Oh my god, they insulate way too well for me. I'm not someone who likes being hot, but it does hide sweat amazingly. Very sweat wicking material. They did not lie about that. When it comes to the pullover and the pants, you are covered for sweat wicking. However, these do such a good job at trapping heat that for me personally, past getting into the gym and maybe a quick warm up, I am not going to wear these for my workout. They're too warm, which makes them amazing if you're someone who wants to work out outside and you want something that keeps the heat in a little bit more. Like, let's say you're someone who likes to work out outside, run outside up until the first snowfall in your area, or up until it starts getting a little bit too cold in your area. This is going to be an amazing set for you. But inside the gym where there's a temperature control, I personally just would not be working out in these inside the gym, because the inside is fleece lined and it does do an amazing job at holding in heat, which makes me personally sweat way more and makes me overheat while I'm working out. For the booty scale, so on the jogger scale, I'm going to give this like a low medium on the booty scale. More so a low, because I'd give it a medium because I have a butt, so my butt is just going to show through my joggers. But these are not joggers that are going to enhance your butt or give you a butt if that's what you're looking for. These are meant to be a relaxed fit. So if you don't have a butt, these aren't going to give you a butt. They're not going to really enhance anything. So we're going to go with a low on the booty scale. Now, when it comes to squat proofness, these are definitely squat proof and they are cellulite friendly. I'm going to say that they're only cellulite friendly because it's so baggy that's not really sticking super close to your skin. But I feel like if you are someone who does end up really filling these out, especially in the assets area, you could potentially end up seeing a little bit of cellulite through it. The material is thick, but it's not super thick. So just be aware, if you're someone who's a thicker lady, then you may end up seeing a little bit of cellulite through the fabric, but I wouldn't expect it to show all of your cellulite as if you're wearing nothing at all. Overall, for these joggers, they are I've worn these 3 times this week and I need to throw them in the wash. They are just so comfy, and like I said, I'm still up north. It's still -30. My house is really cold right now, so I'm just enjoying. Oh, it's so comfortable. It's so freaking comfortable. So if you're in the line for a new pair of joggers that are actually insulating, not like an athletic type jogger that you could work out in, then I think that these are an amazing find. Paired with the pullover, I really do just like the look of the Enjoy set. Now that I'm thinking about it, it would have been really nice if we could have pockets on the hoodie itself, but I will settle for the big ass pockets that we got in the sweatpants. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you and your time. If you found this video useful, make sure to smash that like and that subscribe button so that you never miss an upload from me in the future. And if you're interested in any of these pieces or anything from FitVille, you can shop through the link in my description box to get 10% off your order that will automatically be applied at checkout. Let me know your thoughts on these items. If you made it this far in the video, you are a real one, you're part of the Flex fam. Leave a shoe emoji down in the comments below so that I can love on you a little bit. And as always, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Always remember that your fitness goes beyond your aesthetics. It's not just about how good you look. It's important to make sure that you feel good mentally, emotionally, and sexually as well. Watch the other videos that are on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.